Nigga, you could be my twin brother. Shut your bitch ass up.
I'm tired of people telling me to get off this app. Like I'm supposed to fucking listen to them. What the fuck do I look like? You're not my father.
Damn, you kind of pretty.
Yo, you was mad tripping right now for a nigga.
You look like Jitty and I'm
This is a certified hood classic.
So yo, bro, I already did this shit, but like the video did not record. Like, I did record it, but like it didn't record properly. It was weird as hell. So we're doing it again, type shit. Yeah, I actually had a crazy good conversation with that nigga. So like, networking and shit. But like, hey, listen. Road to 100 subs. We finna hit 100 subs real soon now. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. Finna hop on this. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, bro?
But y'all like a duel? Like y'all friends and shit?
My old lady.
Why she laugh though? Why she laugh?
Cause she's high as fuck too. That could be half the reason.
Nah, let her answer, bro. Like, why did you laugh, man?
Yeah, why you laughing, babe?
I'm high as fuck. Everything's funny.
See? Oh, boom, right?
That song,
Yo,
oh my
what's
god,
good?
that song hit so different. It gave me Aiden vibes. So I was like,
What y'all say,
do
Aiden?
I know?
Now, what she
What?
said? She said like Aiden or some shit.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, my ex. This guy sang a song for us and it reminded me of my ex because it was my dream wedding song.
Oh, I thought you was talking about Aiden Ross or some shit. I was like, where? Like, you know Aiden
Who the fuck
Ross?
is Aiden Ross?
Who's Aiden Ross?
You don't know who Aiden Ross is?
Who the fuck is
No, that's why I
Aiden
just
Ross?
asked.
That's crazy. Fake gangster shit. Bro, you grew up in the suburbs, gang. Chill, bro. Like, what's with this nigga, bro?
What do you mean? Hold on. Before you come a distance, what do you mean?
Bro, nigga grew up in the
Cause I know,
suburbs. Nigga indoors with a ski mask on. Chill out,
I
bro.
know, I know. So what's
Chill
up?
out, fool.
You just
Yo, so I'm doing a
Damn, why
YouTube
you looking
video,
at the
bro.
camera like that?
I'm doing a
Who's gonna
YouTube
slap
video,
me?
bro.
Who's gonna?
What y'all finna do for the YouTube
You
video,
doing a
bro?
YouTube video?
Yeah. What y'all doing for the YouTube?
Bro,
What?
you look like a bitch. Hey, what's your YouTube?
Yo, my dick,
Hey, what's your
nigga.
YouTube, bro?
Nigga,
Huh?
do something for the YouTube and find out, nigga, what is that on your ceiling, bro? What the hell is that, nigga?
That's a balloon.
The fuck is that, nigga? What the hell?
Hey,
Nigga was
first I
Anyways,
like,
what
can't
y'all
be
doing
N
for
word,
the
nigga.
he's
That's why
like,
you
YouTube,
got
bro?
two. That's why you got two subscribers. You ugly fat bitch.
he was like,
Yeah.
Hi.
Yo, what's good?
Nothing.
You like Jamaicans?
Yeah.
Why you in the dark?
I'm in the dark because, like, I just want to be in the dark. I saw emo. What the
Exactly, right, see?
dark? It's like
Exactly.
12 in the morning. And I have my TV on, but I don't know what happened to it. It's 12 in the morning.
Exactly, bro. But as I'm saying, how old is you, bro?
I'm 19.
Finally, some chill shit, bro. Alright. Alright, fuck with the kid.
Mm,
You try your Instagram?
yeah. Hold on.
Say that shit in the chat. Say that shit, y'all.
Damn, you a YouTuber?
I try to be. I try to be.
Oh, went to high school concert for the first time.
Nah, now you stalking my shit in front of me. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Real demon, bruh.
I'm not gonna stalk you behind your back.
That's how stalking works.
Hmm. Um. Yeah. Okay.
I got you. I'm gonna text you.
All right.
Yo, you a rapper?
Yeah, bet. Check my SoundCloud out.
Let me hear something, bro. Let me hear something.
Alright, bet. Hold on. Search me up, cuz. Yeah.
Damn, long ass intro, nigga.
Chill, cuz. That nigga finesse.
On the road, you gonna do? Me and Bull, I said, you could be something smooth one day.
Alright. Honest review. Honest review. Not gonna lie, gang.
Alright, bet.
100% honest. 100% honest. The shit wasn't ass, but the shit weren't that good either. Like, feel like you need to get your bars up, bro. Like some of the bars that I felt like something was gonna hit, it didn't hit. You feel me? Like it wasn't meeting expectations. You feel me? Like you look like a streamer.
Yo, what?
You a streamer?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
What was that for, bro? Like,
Bro, you like Anthony Edwards, bro.
bro, I do not, nigga. Like, why everybody saying that, bro? I don't look like
Yes,
that,
you.
bro.
So follow a couple photos of this nigga, bro. So you
I
telling me
mean,
you don't look like this nigga but lighter?
hell nah, nigga. What the heck?
Tell the truth, nigga. Tell the truth.
Oh,
Tell the
shit,
truth.
bro. Shit, I hate myself. Damn, you kind of pretty.
Yo, you was mad tripping right now for a nigga.
Wait, I'm actually funny as fuck though. Like y'all gotta give me my props. I be pulling that shit off. Like no shit. What? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What is we tripping about? What happened? Jay, is you good?
Hell nah, nigga. Yo.
What did I do?
Hell nah, you ain't fooling me, nigga. Hey. Hell nah.
What did I do?
Hell nah.
What did I do? You can't disregard the fact that you was just trying to call me pretty though. Like that's not how that works.
I know what you are.
I know what you are too. Like what? I'm confused.
Hey, that was a good one though. Like, yeah, yo, where the cameras at, bro? Yo, where the
There is none.
camera at, bro? Don't you
There
prank, bro? Don't you prank, yo.
there's no cameras. Yo, low key, you kinda mad. You look a little upset. Just a little bit. What happened? True religion, jeans, ass out, red on.
Get off my shit, bro.
Why I gotta
Get off
go?
my shit, bro.
I'm having fun here though.
Get off my
Why I
shit,
gotta
bro.
go? Why I gotta go?
You just killed the vibe, bro.
Why? What did I
Get
do?
on out of here, cuz.
No, I'm sorry.
Get out of
Okay, I'm
here,
sorry.
cuz.
Let's restart. No, let's restart. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. We was chilling.
Nah, you done kill this shit. Nah.
I'm sorry.
Bro.
I'm apologizing.
Nah, hell nah, bro. You're a nigga. Stop it.
What did I do?
Stop it, nigga.
What did I do?
Y'all sissy niggas need to be stopped, bro.
Why? What happened?
Bro, get off my shit.
Why I gotta go?
Get off my shit, nigga. Get off my shit.
I'm having fun though. You're the
Get
only
off
one
my
who seems
shit.
a little upset. I don't know what I did.
Get off my
I
shit, nigga.
apologize.
Get off my shit.
I apologize, and then
Ain't no apologizing for shit. Apology is getting off my shit.
I apologize, and I said let's restart. I was chilling. We chilling.
I am not chilling. There's no we in this.
Why?
I
What
don't
happened?
speak
Why are you not
French, nigga.
Why is you not chilling?
Get out my face, bro. Get out my
Why
face.
is you not chilling?
Bro, get out my face. Can you do a backflip though? Like, that's the real question. Like,
Backflip in the pool, not on the fucking floor.
see, I got you there. Let me see, you feel me?
Do it. Come on now. Let me see
I got you. I gotta move my shit out of the way though. Like, you see, I got this shit in the way. You ready?
You better give me flip.
Get scared, nigga. Hey, yo, what's going on? Yeah.
Yo.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
How was your day, ma'am?
Bored.
Bored, what that mean?
Bored. Wasn't nothing to do.
So you ain't got nothing to do?
No.
Well, I feel like I'm on FaceTime, like you pointing the camera at the ceiling and shit. Like,
Cause you is on FaceTime technically.
I ain't even got your number. How am I on FaceTime you?
You can have it if you want.
Shit, drop that shit right now.
Where you from?
Shit, I'm born in Jamaica, but I be in
Yeah.
Atlanta. I be in Atlanta sometimes, you feel me?
Sometimes. So where you at now?
Shit, I'm back home for the summer, you feel me? But I'm finna leave in like a few days, go back to Atlanta. So
Okay. God damn.
Hold up, nigga. Hey, why your sister on the cam, nigga? Hey.
What's that?
Whose sister is this, bruh?
Whose brother is this? The fuck?
What you mean by that? Y'all I hate this app, bro. Bro, I just realized how fun the girls only version of this could be. Like, this shit could be tough, like, potentially.
On picture, I ain't in that.
Thug ass niggas, bruh.
are going.
Yeah, still know what the girl them there, bro.
Eh?
Girl them not look fine, brother. What the girl them the dog.
But you don't go find them at the hours, brother.
You know what I mean?
You find them if you have look what the much way in your region.
Dog.
Unless I go out of region.
Donald Trump? Do you like Donald Trump?
Chat, that's TLS.
Oh,
I'm not
come
talking about
on,
that.
bro.
That's TLS. That's TLS. TLS.
Soon. Yeah, I like your do rag. I'm gonna braid soon. Look, I'm growing out my hair for that.
It's not a do rag though.
Oh. How the fuck did you guys came up with braids? I fuck with that.
I know, man. Shit is crazy, bro. Hey, that's good for you, my
I
dog.
believe. You look fucking handsome, dude. Leave some girls for us. I don't need your bucks, my brother. I don't have much black friends other than 16 guys, okay? But they're the coolest dog in the hood. Yeah, I like them. They're good guys. I smoke weed with them. They're the coolest ones I've met. Yep. I don't want to lie to you. Yeah, they're the coolest one. White gals suck, dude. You know nothing about white gals. Fuck them, dude. They look shit as fuck.
This nigga is yapping, bro. Hell yappers, bro. My bad. Hey, yo, that your girl, nigga?
Might be. Never know.
Nigga said might be, bro. I'm not trying to have the shooters pull up to my crib, bro. Niggas be crashing out over these bitches, bro. I swear to God.
I don't crash out.
I wasn't referring to you as a bitch, ma'am. You feel me? I was just talking in general.
Don't crash out by me. Don't do that.
You don't like niggas crashing out for you?
I don't want my nigga to be dead.
Hey, that's crazy. Hey, what's your name, man? What's your name? They said it again. I can't hear it over the other song.
Got that loud TV. Turn that TV
Yeah.
down, boy, for real.
Tell that nigga turn his shit down, bro. That nigga turn his shit down,
My
bro.
name is Nasia. Nasia.
Nasia, what's with all the attitude, Nasia? Chill, bro.
Turn that TV down, for real.
Tell that nigga turn that TV down, bro. You messing up our
That
shit.
little back there, turn that TV down.
Hey, gang. Let's finish talking about.
Bro, me and her talking, bro. You gotta worry about that, nigga.
Finish talking to her.
Hey, watch out now.
Hey, you shut the fuck up.
Chill out, nigga. You got that badass light, nigga. Ain't nobody can see your face, nigga.
Fucked up.
I don't want no niggas staring me in my face. Why you worrying about what's going on?
I ain't even worried about you, nigga. I'm talking to Nasia, bro.
You shut the fuck up. Hey, Purple Head. Purple Head. Cinderella. Shut the fuck up.
You really finna let him disrespect you like that?
If you on stream, nobody get fuck what he talking about. Period. If you on stream.
Hell nah, I don't stream.
Yeah. You ain't on stream. Stop lying.
I don't stream. I swear to God, I don't stream. I'm not streaming. I just got here to like talk to you for real, like word.
No, you lying. I might skip you.
Come on, chill, bro, chill.
You act like I can't see your glasses.
You worried about the wrong things, bro. Just drop your IG now, though. Just drop your IG, bro.
I don't got one of those.
That's great, bro. Just drop the number then, bro.
I don't got that in my phone though.
Nah, I got the flip phone, bro. I got the flip phone, so you feel me?
The phone off. Like it's broken. Like it's broken to pieces.
What's good, man?
Do you like brie cheese?
What is that? I have no idea what that is. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Never mind. I don't know where it went.
Hoes, bro. Go look for the hoes, bro. Niggas on the
That's
two
what we
man, bro.
trying to do, bro.
Ooh,
That's
what
what
you
we
think
trying
we
to
should
do,
do?
bro.
Go
We
look for
can't
the
find
hoes,
shit.
man.
We can't find shit, bro. We can't find
Hey,
shit.
you need to drop that $7, gang. Drop that $7. Pay for premium, buddy.
Let me smell your dick, nigga.
You're
Let me
getting
smell
boomed,
that
buddy.
shit.
You're getting boomed. Y'all looking for the two man, boy. Just yeah. You feel it?
I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a
Uh,
fuck.
uh,
Why you look musty? You like you stink. It's given Jamaican house or Caribbean house. Cause what kind of curtains are on your stuff? Like what's going on?
yo, my dick,
The,
nigga,
cur-
chill out, fool.
the curtains are screaming Caribbean. It's screaming African. It's screaming poor. Wait,
Why is he
well,
racist, gang? Like, bro,
who's
go,
racist, baby? I'm Jamaican. I don't give a fuck, bitch.
go, run up the two man, my boy. Go. You feel me? That's not here.
And
You feel me?
clearly you want to stay and talk to us, bitch, because you could skip and you not skipping. So
I just did, dickhead. For real, fine, bro. Yo, what's good?
Ooh, I look fat.
Where y'all from?
Ooh, girl.
Where you from?
See? New York.
I'm from Jamaica. You feel me? Y'all fuck with Jamaicans?
Yeah, they cool.
You don't fuck with Jamaicans? I
Ooh.
can't hear you. You cutting out.
I said they cool to be friends with.
No, I'm not.
For real, for real. Really, that y'all said to me right now.
Y'all too crazy.
Right?
What you mean we too
What'd you
crazy,
say?
bro?
Because I don't know, like y'all give off y'all would really ransack my house.
I miss my cocoa butter
Nah,
kisses,
that's
hope you
because we're real
smile.
lovers, though.
What?
Like,
Never did I
we
do
really
something
locked
to
in for real. Like,
If you love somebody, you wouldn't even think about doing that.
Ooh, clock in. Period. If you love
nah,
somebody,
but
you need to think
if
about it.
you let me ask you a question for if you love somebody and they betray you, like, you feel me? Like,
But things happen.
Ain't
Things
nothing,
happen,
nothing I can do.
and you never know what the reason is behind it. Even though it may not be as valid as you may want it to be, but there's always reasons for why certain people do stuff. And if you don't want to hear that reason or understand it, then it is what it is.
but
But
that's the reason
it's
why y'all in
also another.
relationship.
You
Like,
can
y'all,
also you can always
feel
control how
me?
you react to something. Huh?
You said that's what?
That's why y'all be in a relationship, cause like y'all supposed to help each other grow. You feel me? Like, I can learn stuff from you, and you can like learn stuff from me. You feel me?
Exactly. So ransacking somebody's house or doing some F shit after they did something is uncalled for. You can always
Not
choose
everybody
another
doing that though.
way. There's always another way. Okay.
Right.
Always another way.
Not everybody doing that though. You feel me? Not everybody doing that.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
I didn't even ask y'all names though. I done you. I forgot.
Oh.
What's your name?
You said what?
What's y'all name? I didn't even ask y'all names.
I'm Ari.
Ain't no competition,
What you
just
said?
competing for
What you
attention.
said?
Zena.
Zena. Zena and Ari, man. How y'all became friends? Like y'all friends or like y'all sisters or like what?
Do we look alike?
Y'all kind of look alike. Like y'all look like y'all could be cousins.
That's what's up.
We got the same big forehead.
she ain't like that. She ain't like you said that.
No,
Look, all three of us.
Nah, this trio is crazy.
we all look alike.
Fire, right? We all fire. Stop it.
Nah, it's
No,
tough.
okay.
Nah, it's cool. But like,
I just gave myself secondhand embarrassment.
yeah, it's cool as hell. I see your tats. Like, what tats you got?
Oh, wow! Is this ugly one
I don't even know what
that
that
ended up
is.
getting a music note, and then is this one?
Oh,
It
nah,
says
that look
Guardian.
tough.
Right?
You said what?
That's fire. That's tough. I follow that.
Oh. Oh, I thought you said it looked rough, and then you said
Is you
right.
like,
Nah,
I'm not on no
exactly.
games,
See,
but baby, I've been
she wouldn't be
peeping,
doing
and
that
you
to you, bro.
ain't been the same. Like,
Feel
What
me?
happened?
Yo, y'all
What you
cool as hell
rolling
though.
like
Like,
that for?
we could be friends. Like, drop your IG. Like, y'all actually cool as hell.
Right? Get that all the time.
Drop your IG.
Like, what y'all?
You can chat.
Wait, let me use my iPad.
Just go ahead. Just tell her your IG. She gonna send it our way.
Yeah, what is it?
Y'all want mine?
Who? Because you said
Yeah.
drop your. What?
It's I'm gonna just type in the chat. Hold on. There's no chat. I don't see.
Yo,
It's
tell me why
Souljayy with
somebody
3 Ys.
came up here to talk about some.
Wait, is
he be pimping and boo. He be.
It's Souljayy. So like Soul J. It's SOULJA 3 Ys.
Somebody was on here talking about he get pimped out and boo 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 boo. Right? And then we was like,
Yeah, that's me.
like, are you okay?
all right. I'm gonna send it.
I asked, like,
to
are you
them.
okay? Are you sure that you're okay?
Definitely cool though. It was nice talking to you.
Appreciate you.
Like been pimped out by some yeah.
Huh?
On your chain, nigga. On your chain.
They're my cousin.
What happened to that?
Where the hoes?
What happened to bro?
He drunk. Don't lie, bro. Don't lie.
Nah, how old was he though?
I think he was like 13 or 14.
Nah, like bro, don't bro, man, bro.
He supposed to be 17 by now.
Crazy man, yeah. Like, yeah, bro though. Looking for the
What you do,
huzz.
man? Huh?
Looking for the huzz.
Last shit I seen was some fat shit, bro. Fat ass bitch. Pretty ass voice. I said, show your face. Big face look like a moon pie.
I'm telling you, bro.
I seen some bad shit though. I got some bad shit Instagram, like 2 or 3. You from Jamaica?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'll be in
You don't got
Atlanta.
an accent.
Cause I'll be over here, but like, I can still talking at the Jamaican accent, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? I can switch.
Oh,
Shit like 2 languages.
the hoes like that shit.
I'm saying, like, they
See, I'm
love that.
Haitian, but I don't got no accent.
Shit.
It is what it is.
Yeah, what it is,
Hope you
my
find some
dog.
hoes though, bro.
Appreciate you.
I'm a scientific nigga that kiss black niggas like Jay.
Hell nah, nigga.
Chat, that shit's from my legacy, bro.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Like I don't know what my tongue gonna.
Clearly, you want to stay and talk to us, bitch, because you could skip and you not skipping.
I just did, dickhead.